Hi, this is Sunil Gupta. I welcome you all in my virtual classroom. Here we have taken one sum what you can see on your mobile screen. This is sum number 7 from government textbook and the chapter is dissolution of partnership firm. Here I'll show you, see I have made ready these columns in advance so that I can save my time. Everything is ready, only I need to post the entries over here. Sayesh, Sumit and Hemant were in partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio 2:1, they decided to dissolve their partnership firm on 31st March 2019 and their balance sheet as on that date stood as. These are the liabilities. Wherever you will be posting it, you will post on the credit side, and these are asset item will be posted to the debit side of realization account. This will go to credit side of realization account and this item will go to debit side of realization account. These are the adjustments. And see here what do we need to prepare where we will be getting marks. You have to prepare realization account, you have to prepare partners capital account, and finally you have to prepare bank account. Okay, so are you ready? So let's begin with sum number 7. This is partners capital account, 90,000, 60,000, 30,000. We'll go to the credit side of partners capital account. Here I'll write by balance brought down. Amount is 90,000 and here it will come to 60,000, 30,000. Okay, done. Now these items will be posted to the credit side of realization account. Let's go to the credit side of realization account. Here I'll write by sundry liabilities, loan, then creditors. Okay, these two are the item. We won't take bank overdraft. This will go to the bank account. Okay, बैंक का लेजर अकाउंट हमने प्रिपेयर किया है, ये वहां पे जाएगा, ये नेगेटिव बैलेंस है सिंस वी आर नॉट हैविंग एनी कैश और बैंक बैलेंस ऑन द एसेट साइड. So this will go to credit side. This is the negative bank balance will go to credit side. Only these two items will post to the credit side of realization account. Their amount is 12,000 and the creditor is 9,000. Total is 21,000. We'll take it in order column. Liability side, only one thing is remaining. This one 39,000 will go to credit side. Negative balance by balance brought down 39,000. Now we'll start with the asset side entries. This one, these three will go to the debit side of realization account. Here I'll write two sundry assets. Below that I'll write plant 1,20,000. Then we are having debtors 45,000. Finally we are having stock 75,000. We'll take total of this in order column, that is 2,40,000. Balance sheet is over. We'll come to the adjustment. First one, Sayesh to discharge loan and take debtors at book value. So Sayesh will be discharging loan. Sayesh will be paying loan and for that he will be taking debtors. So first we'll see the entry for payment of loan. How will he pay loan? For that we'll go to the credit side. And here I'll write by realization account. In Sayesh column we'll write amount of loan. Amount of loan is 12,000. So I'll write in his column 12,000, and this is credit side. Second effect will be on the debit side. To Sayesh capital account 12,000, and here I'll write paid for loan. He is taking over debtor. For that we'll go to debit side, realization account, and I'll write the amount of debtor. Here you can see 45,000. Same amount I'll take here, 45,000. Here it is in the debit side. Second effect will go to the credit side. I'll write by Sayesh capital account 45,000. Okay. First adjustment is over. Now plant realized for 1,35,000 and stock is realized for 72,000. Let's see the entry will come here on the credit side. Here I'll write by bank account. Plant 1,35,000, stock 72,000. Okay, so total is 2,07,000. Now creditors, here we are making payment to the creditors, and for that getting discount of rupees 45. Let's see how to do it. See, second effect is not done, no, of this thing. This is on the credit side. Second effect will go to the debit side, to realization account 2,07,000. Now payment is made to the creditor by realization account. Creditor is how much? 9,000 is the creditor. You can check here on the credit side of realization account, minus 45,000. This is the amount. Here it is in the credit side. Second effect will be on the debit side. I'll write here to bank account. Amount is 8,955. 8,955. Here I'll write paid for creditors. Okay. Here total is 2,60,955. 2,60,955, and this side total is 2,73,000. 2,73,000. 2,73,000. Same I would take here. Here debit side is lower, right? So 2,73,000 minus 2,60,955. I am getting 12,040 rupees. I'll take the name of partner. Last partner is Hemant. Second last partner is Sumit and Sayesh. And here I'll write to partners capital account. What is their ratio? 2 is to 2 is to 1. So let's see how to divide this. 12, 0, 45 into 2 upon 5. Something is mistake in the formula. 2. Now we'll get the correct answer. Here too, 12, 0, 45 into 2 upon 5. And here 12, 0, 45 into 1 upon 5. Let's check the total. Yes, correct. Second effect of this will go, this is on the debit side, so second effect will go to credit side. Here I'll write by realization account 4818. 4818. Here to 4818. 242409. Okay, we have done this also. Now we'll make the total of this 34,409. 64,818. Here 1,06,818. 1,06,818. I need that credit side total on debit side also. I'll check the balance now. Here equal to 1,06,818 minus 45,000. We'll be getting this much balance. Here I'll write to bank account, and here I'll write final settlement. Second effect will be here on the credit side. Here I'll write by partners capital account Sayesh, Sumit, Hemant. 61,818, 64,818, 34,409. We will take total 1,61,45. 1,61,45. We'll check the total. Total is 2,09,000, and this is 32,000, not 34,000. 32. Now this will be tallied. 1,59,000. 1,59,000. I will check the total. Yes, 2,07,000. Here too 2,07,000. Right. So in this way, students, we have solved this sum. I hope you all must have understood how to solve sum of dissolution of partnership firm. So thank you very much for watching this video.